Hello students, now we'll see next problem. The question is a hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm and axis 60 mm has its corners on HP and has a triangular face on the ground and inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. No, what I'm saying after reading the question, please remember 4 points. So, what is the first point? Name of the polygon, right? So, what is the name of the polygon here? What we are going to draw? Hexagon. Hexagon is the name of the polygon, right? Then next, what is the next condition? What is the condition you have to start? Condition is here corners. Where we have to start the problem? On HP. Coming to inclinations. What are the inclinations here? See, they mentioned one condition as triangular face on the ground, right? And they mentioned another condition is here 45 degrees to VP. This is your question, right? Name of the polygon is hexagon. Condition is corner. You have to start the problem on HP. Inclinations are triangular face on the ground and 45 degrees to VP. So how to start the problem? We know the condition. You have to draw the hexagon corners on HP. So construct the hexagon here. Start with the corner, right? Hexagon corner on HP. Construct the hexagon. Name it as A, B, C, D, E, F. After constructing the hexagon, join all the corners of the hexagon. Mark the midpoint as O. After that, what we have to do? From every corner, project the lines till reference line, right? From O point also you have to draw the projectional line, right? Now how much is the axis height here? 60 mm. Construct the axis height as 60 mm. Join all these points till O point, right? So you will get hexagonal pyramid. This is your initial position, right? Then the important thing is while solving all previous problems, right? They mentioned two inclinations like 45 degrees to HP, 30 degrees to VP, 30 degrees to HP, 45 degrees to VP. They mentioned two inclinations. Okay, now coming to this problem, they mentioned the condition that triangular face on the ground, right? So you are starting first step here, you are starting second step here. Where will be the third step? The third step will be here. You have to construct the third step here. What is the condition? Triangular face on the ground. So what are the triangular faces here? O dash to A dash is a triangular face. O dash to D dash is the triangular face. These are called as faces, right? What they mentioned, triangular faces on the ground, triangular faces on HP. On HP, on VP means you have to construct the line on the reference line. We know this, right? So take any one of the face, either from O dash to D dash or O dash to A dash. Take any one of the length, right? I am considering here O dash to D dash. I am taking this length. Now I will measure this length. Same length I will draw here. O dash to A dash. So this portion is completed. O dash to A dash. Then next I am taking this length. Baseline. A dash to D dash. I am taking this length with compass. I am keeping the compass here. I will draw the arc and I am draw this. After that, next from O dash to A dash, I will take this length with the help of compass. I will keep the compass here. From O, I will cut this. Again, I will draw here. Same, I am drawing this triangular here. Right? What is the question? Triangular face on the ground. We are having two faces, O dash to D dash, O dash to A dash. Consider any one of the face. Here I am considering this length, O dash to D dash. On the ground, on HP, on the reference line you have to draw. So take this length, draw here on the reference line, right? So one side is completed. Now take this another side from D dash to A dash. take this length, keep your compass here, draw an arc. Then next, take this length, keep your compass here, cut that arc. Same triangle, draw here, mark the midpoint, draw the axis line, right? Then next, join all these points till O point. Same triangle we are drawing here. So we are naming this. After constructing this, what we have to do, from every corner, from FE, draw the horizontal line. AD, draw the horizontal line. BC, draw the horizontal line. After drawing horizontal lines, from C to C, from D to D, from A to A, from F to F, from E to E. If you take all these points, if you join all this, you will get the hexagon shape here. Right? For pyramids, O point is compulsory. From O to O also, you have to mark the point, name it as O1. Join O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, O to E, and here O to F. It looks like a hexagonal pyramid. Right? This is your middle position. Right? So what is the third position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be here. What is the next part of question? 45 degrees to VP. 45 degrees to VP means we are going to draw here. Right? So we know how to construct third step, assuming that the second step was in a box. This total is hexagonal pyramid. Assume that this hexagonal pyramid was in a box. Name it as PQRS. Right? Now draw PQ line here, QR line here, RS, PS. Same box, construct here with an angle of 45 degrees. Right? After that, in between P and Q, mark the D point, D point. In between Q and B, C point, B point. In between B and F, A point. In between P and Q, like that. Right? So, what are the points in between them? Mark the points. Right? See, in between R and S, O point is there. O point. Mark the O point. Join all this A, B, C, D, E, F. You will get one hexagon here. After drawing the hexagon, what we have to do? Join O to A, O to B, O to C, right? O to D, O to E, O to F. You will get the hexagonal pyramid. Same, this box you have to construct here. In between P and Q, how many lines are there? In between Q and R, how many lines are there? In between R and S, how many lines are there? You know this process. After that, what we have to do? From every corner, from A, from B, from C, from every corner, draw the horizontal lines. After that, from A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, E to E, F to F. At last, from O to O also. If you join all this, you will get the hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. You will get the hexagon shape. From O to O, you will get the point here. After getting O point, join OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF. You will get the hexagonal pyramid. After getting this, you have to write down here final position. After total construction of problem, write down here, this is your front view and this will be your top view. Right? After completion of all this, please mark the dimensions. Length of the hexagon is 30, axis is 60 here. Right? And mark the angles properly. Dimensions is compulsory and important one. See, same problems, but the conditions is in this question they didn't mention two angles. They mentioned the condition as triangular face on the ground. Consider any one of the face, draw here. Remaining two lengths, take that length with the compass, construct the arc. Same process, same method. Everything was same. Right? Now, same, I want to tell next question also, same method. See, now, what is the question here? A square pyramid of base 40 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on its base on HP and as a triangular faces on HP. A vertical plane containing the axis inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. After reading question, 4 important points. First point is name of the polygon. What we have to draw? Square. What is the condition? Base. Where we have to start the problem? HP. What are the inclinations? First is triangular face on HP. Second is 45 degrees to VP. Right? Now we will see how to construct. You have to construct the square. Condition is base on HP. Square base on HP. So first construct the square of length 40 mm. Right? Name it as A, B, C, D. After constructing the square, please mark the midpoint here. Name it as O. After that, project this one. Axis height is how much here? 60 mm. From the reference line, the axis height should be 60 mm. Then next, project all these corners till the reference line. Join here. Write down the points. This is your initial position. After this, what we have to do? What's the next condition? Triangular faces on HP. On HP, on VP means we have to construct the line on the reference line. Right? So 1, 2, where we have to draw 3 here. What is the condition? Triangular faces on HP. Right? So what are triangular faces here? O dash to B dash of C dash is one triangular face. O dash to A dash of D dash is one triangular face. So take any one of the triangular face. I am considering this triangular face. O dash to B dash of C dash. I am considering this. I am taking this side with the help of scale. Right? And I am going to draw here. O dash B dash of C dash. Right? So this face is completed. Then next what I will do? From A dash to B dash. This length is how much? Take this length with the help of compass. Keep your compass here. Draw an arc. This face is completed. Then next coming to this face from O dash to A dash. Take this length with the help of compass. Keep your compass here. Draw an arc. Same this triangle we have to draw here. Right? After that from the midpoint draw the axis line. Right? Then next after constructing this, you know the next step. From every corner of the square you have to draw the horizontal lines. Join from A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, from O to O. If you join all this A, B, C, D, you will get the square. Right? A to O, B to O, C to O, and here D to O. You will get the square pyramid. This is to a middle position. Right? Then next, what is the next step here? 45 degrees to VP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45 degrees to VP. You know this, how to construct final position. Assuming that the middle position was in a box. Anyway, this is a box. Right? So same construct here. C to B. First, draw a straight line of 45 degrees. Right? Leave 5 mm gap. Mark the C point here first. Right? C to B. Length is how much? Draw here. Then next from B to till this line. B to A. A, B, C, D. In between B and C, midpoint line. In between B and C, midpoint line. Naming this point as O. Join here OA, OB, OC, and here OD. Square pyramid you are drawing here with an angle of 45 degrees. Same process. See how we are drawing, assuming that the second position is in a box. Anyway, this is a box. Right? If you are getting confusion, please write down here P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. So P point is C1, Q point is B1. Right? Midpoint is O. Like that you can construct. After this, what we have to do? From every corner, draw the horizontal line. From A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, you will get the square. From O to O also, you have to construct the point. After getting O point, join OA, OB, OC, OD. You will get the square pyramid here. This is to a final position. After construction of problem, please write down here. This will be your front view. This is your top view. Mark the dimensions properly. Length of the square is 40 mm, axis height is 60 mm, and here the angle is 45 degrees. All the methods are same. The condition here to remember is triangular face on HP. Triangular face on HP. Right? The important thing is you have to mark the O point.